Hi, I'm Mike Adamson. I'm Head of Analysis for PGMOL. That means I'm responsible for looking after the performance analysis and technology arms of English refereeing. Today we've been working with a company called Copters. We've been looking at some drone technology to implement into assistant referee drills. That means mocking up some offside scenarios and then trying to get some different angles that we might not normally be able to capture. That'll give us a different perspective when we're trying to analyse decision making and understand some improvements or some retention within the decision making process. I think mainly we've seen the development of drones over the last few years, and we've seen the application within sport and within football. I think from our perspective, it's all about getting the best viewpoint possible that either accurately reflects the assistant referee's viewpoint or gives us a viewpoint to definitively tell us whether a decision was correct or incorrect, and therefore we can liaise with the assistant about why they might have given that decision, and therefore that dovetails all the information we have to therefore improve performance. Similarly, it's important for us to understand behaviours we need to encourage within other assistant referees, and ultimately we're looking for all of the pieces of the puzzle that help us get that information together. There's been some surprises for sure. There's been a really nice array of different options that we've looked at. I think the portability of some of the smaller drones play well into the fact that we're quite a disparate business, but also the larger drones give us that weatherproofing and variety. So we'll have some conversations to look at what might best suit our needs.